All right, I got some slow cooker liners here. So it's crock pot season because it's cold outside where I'm at, and I had to order these because you get 30, and oh my goodness, like look at how large this came in. So you get 30 of them, and then they'll come out like this. This is how big they are. So let me show you real quick. Here's how they are. Super easy to open, really. And what you're gonna do is put this into the crock pot, wrap it up. When you're done eating, you just take it out of the crock pot, and it's easy to clean. You just throw the remnants away of what wasn't ate. But this is fairly simple, makes cleanup time so much easier, and I have never seen it where you can get 30 in a package, so I had to jump on this when I saw this on Amazon. But if you're looking for slow cooker liners as well, definitely grab these. I'm excited to try these out. I think it's gonna be really good. I think it's gonna hold well, and I'll update you on that. But so far, so good.